This is a video tutorial on replacing a laptop screen, and this is for laptopscreen.com. The screen that I ordered is model number B156xW03, and you can find that in the upper corner next to the barcode on your laptop screen. You can also find it through looking on your computer. But my screen was broken, so this is how I found it. This is my new screen, so the same model number is next to the barcode on the new screen. My new screen has a film over the screen. I'm going to leave that on until I absolutely need to take it off. I've got a plastic frame that goes over the screen once it's screwed in. I've got my computer itself with the screen missing and all the parts kind of exposed. And then I've got really tiny screws. There should be 4 really tiny screws and then 6 semi-tiny screws and then 6 little screw covers. I'm using a magnetic screwdriver that can kind of help me not lose my screws. Okay, next we need to plug in the laptop screen to the laptop itself. The connecting points are a wire that comes out of your laptop with an end that kind of has small teeth at the very end. You want to make sure that you don't bend or break off those small teeth during this process. This just fits right in through the slot, and I'm going to take pencil and push down on the edges to make sure that it's secure. Make sure that you don't bend the wires in here. They're very tiny and you want to not push too much pressure on those. Okay, now we need to just put the whole thing back together. I took the screen cover off. Each corner of the laptop screen has 2 holes that line up perfectly with the corner hole slot. Make sure that all 4 line up. Put your screws in and screw it down. Okay, so now those 4 little screws have been tightened down, and I did not have to force them. They should be snug though. The next step is to put on my plastic frame that covers the edging of the screen. And mine just pops right on. It just snaps into place around the edges. And the next thing we'll do is screw in 6 small screws that go in the corners. Once again, I've got my magnetic screwdriver, and I've already got the small screw at the end already, and I'm just gonna finish this up. All these screws are in the little corners. Last thing to do, put on these little rubber stoppers. And I'd suggest trying your computer out, see if the screen works. And that's it. Not nearly as hard or expensive as one would think. Thanks a lot.